I am not sponsored by Duckduckgo in any way. Hello guys, and today I'm going to be doing something different than what I normally do, which is make short edits. Now today, as you saw in the title, I'm going to be talking about Duckduckgo and other Google alternatives and why you should use them. This all stemmed from me wanting to convince some of my close family to use Duckduckgo. And they said that they were just used to seeing Google show up when they pressed new tab and did not want to change. And so, I have to make a video explaining why switching to Duckduckgo is much better and is definitely worth not being able to see your stupid favorite browser. Like seriously, Chrome is absolutely horrible. Alright, well now we're in OBS Studio looking over the Consumer Rights Wiki, and we see how there is many apparent issues that harm people like you, average consumers. And so, just one that affects people the most is probably the Rodriguez v. Google LLC case. And so, just imagine this. You've been putting tons of effort into always denying location and all other things along those lines, including cookies. But little did you know that they were collecting your data the whole entire time. Even if you said no, they collected it. What makes it worse is that if you were a child who are protected in America, I wonder why, because they're children, they collected your data. It's just absolute carnage. And so my next source is the government, and that's how you know it's bad. And so, yeah, this is, quote, Google LLC is considered a monopolist and has abused its monopoly power. I'm pretty sure that's, right here. It's actually crazy. And then, here's another, yeah, this quote is way, like, it's just crazy. And then here's a second, even more revealing quote towards Google's dominance. Google's unlawful dominance allows them to censor and even deplatform American voices. And at the same time, Google destroyed and hid information that exposed its illegal conduct. Today's opinion confirms Google's controlling hand over online advertising and increasingly the internet itself. I am extraordinarily proud of the dedicated public servants whose tireless efforts led to today's decision. And it's just, if the government considers you a monopoly, it's just insane. And the thing is that they didn't even follow through with this, mostly because of their money that they have. And that's why you should really change to Duckduckgo. And so now that I showed some things that our amazing, familiar, good old browser has done, maybe you would like to look for some alternatives. And that is why I made this video. For starters, we need a browser. And with that, I bless your eyes with Duckduckgo. And I linked it in the description, and Duckduckgo is just so much superior to Google in many ways. It's very easy to install, and Duckduckgo knows nothing that you've ever searched. It doesn't even, I don't even think that there's a search history. But the thing is that Google knows everything about you, everything that you've done using your Google account, everything that you've searched up ever. But guess what? Duckduckgo doesn't do that. And Google even tries to verify your age, which is just horrible. And then Google also forces their AI on you, which is way too realistic and has an easily removable watermark. But yeah, there's also a lot of different other browsers, which I'll link in the description, one of them being the Onion Router. And then there's Firefox. But the Onion Router works with this advanced computer bouncing technique to make it extremely hard to track you. Then finally, a very interesting choice is SeaMonkey. And SeaMonkey is just amazing because it's old, but it's still open source, and it's amazing due to how it synergizes with many different add-ons that like truly do change how you search, and also like the way that it works, or the way that the whole searching thing like works, and your connections. Then you may ask, how can I leave my Gmail behind? Well, my answer, Proton Mail. Proton Mail is an amazing, private, sleek, easy to use email provider, I guess, which prioritizes privacy and security with end-to-end encryption. And the reason that Google Mail is bad is because of potential access from third parties, and it displays ads, which really, it's just really bad. And it makes you use like other things because, I don't know, it's just really invasive kind of. And yeah, Proton Mail is also just really useful because like I'm writing my script on it right now. And it's surprisingly great with like many different tools, like somehow a table, insert image, insert link, like all these other things, font size. It's just amazing. And then the second alternative is mail.com. And this is an old one, but it still works like really well because it's still like extremely secure. And I don't know, how secure can Google be? And then there's one more, which is Yahoo. I don't know why it's bad. Nothing wrong with Yahoo. Research and development centers. Yeah. Research and development centers. And although migrating emails on accounts may be hard, it is worth it because of people power. Nobody. Okay, that brings me to my last point, the crowd mentality. As they said, you are the light. And you know what? You think that you have no effect, but that is what big money businesses want you to think. You are powerful, even by yourself. It is people who think that them doing nothing that will destroy our world because you may not be able to do much for yourself. But together, we are strong. Because if you stop using Google for the rest of your life, then they will lose a whole lifetime of money. And for example, Duckduckgo will make a lifetime of money from you and will be able to extend their beautiful hand to more people through advertisements, and you can share this video with other people to you know, just support me and also show them the path that will make the world a better place. It's like a snowball of graciousness. Remember, you can change the world. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm really happy about this video because I believe I'm making the world a better place by spreading awareness of this issue. And although many people know it, many people also don't know it. So please subscribe to my channel because, you know, my goal is again to gain 100 subscribers. And remember, crowd mentality. You could be one of the people. So please subscribe so that YouTube does not hide this because it's, you know, against Google. And, you know, I really don't think that they like people who go against them. And this is my first scripted video, but it's from the heart with some improv. Thanks for watching.